Welcome back, viewers. It's me again, Christine, and thank you for watching the rest of my videos. Today we are in Cebu. We are actually driving 3 hours to go to Oslo. Okay, before we drive to Oslo, we actually roam around Cebu City. There's a lot of things to see there, but a day is good for you to tour around the city. Now, we're going to Oslo to do more adventures. We want to swim with the whales. You can actually book a tour for a city tour and all the adventures with the whales and a lot more things. And I'm gonna put the links down on my description. You can check it in there later. But for now, enjoy the ride. I added this to my video because I want you guys to see we are driving down the coast and it's such a beautiful ride. Okay, we're here. We finally arrived. We are so excited. It's so hot here though. It's just super humid and hot.
Yeah.
Okay, we're following our bus driver. He also organized all the tours for us, which is really nice because he's a local and he knows what to do and he knows everything around here. There's also a lot of pushy vendors, so you guys be careful. This is an early tour. After lunch, that's when the whales go back to the ocean. Okay, so before we go swim with the whales, we need to attend the seminar because this is for people to know what to do and what not, and things you can't apply to yourself like sunscreens or lotion because these are not good for the whales.
Second, no flash photography. Third, in swimming, please observe 4 meters distance away from the whale shark. That's from the mouth and down to its tail. And if you can see that the whale sharks are getting closer to you, don't panic. Just give them away and let them pass. They are harmless.
We have to pay environmental fee for 100 pesos, which is less than $2. And for everything else, just click the link on my description page. There's a waiting shed that you saw earlier, but we didn't want to sit there. It was so hot. So we walk around a little bit on the left corner of the island, and you can actually go down here and play with the water or sit here. It's cooler and it's fresher. As you can see, this place is such a paradise. It's so pretty out here.
Sige ba tayo matatawagin ko si mama? Tawagin ko si mama. Hindi ba? Bantayan mo si... Hindi na sarap!
on this place is better than sitting in the shed. And if you want to learn scuba diving, they offer it here too. That person in the background is calling the numbers of those people who are ready to swim with the whales.
170. 170 na.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Here we go. Here we are. We are all so excited. This is our first time swimming with the whales. And this is such a great feeling. It's a different feeling. I can't even explain it. According to these people, we will see at least like 15 whales at a time. On other seasons, they said it's 20 to 30. Don't get excited, I'm telling you, we didn't see 15. It's a lot of us, so it's for the whole tour group.
Yun mo yun. Sorry. Sorry yan? Oo.
I actually was scared at the beginning, but I'm so glad I did jump.
Hold the bamboo, sir, ha?
You have to put your face in the water.
My daughter, she's 13 years old and she was so excited and she was so happy. I took her here. She said it's such a phenomenal experience.
Kanya lang ito mo, ma.
Kasi yung chinelas mo, iliwan.
Oo, ma. Kaming na, ma.
Kasi yung
Kita mo, boy? Boy.
Papa ng kilo. Ano ba sinabi yan?
Walker.
Bawal. Bakit pag sinakyan siya?
Baka pag mag-white yan, ma, matamaan sa butot ng ma. Maano ka. Walang malay. Malakas yan, ma'am. Pumalo, ma'am.
Pero may tag-train na sumakay.
Dati, ma'am, pag hindi pa bawal, ma'am, may sumakay ka. Kami.
Tapos ano nangyari nagwala?
Wala, ma'am. Yung bangka, natamaan, basag. Mag-wild yan, ma'am. Parang ma-disturb mo siya sa kain ng kain. Tapos ma-disturb siya. Ma'am! Ma'am, dali mo sila live, to? Dito lang, to?
Di ba pwedeng underwater yan? Kung galing do?
Ah, pwede. Pwede ka magpatira sa kaibigan ko, ma'am. Yung
I have my Insta360 camera with me and that's waterproof. You can go underwater. If you didn't bring any camera and you want to shoot underwater, they have it for rent for 500 pesos. So that's like $10. Or actually less than $10.
Wag na. Hirap. Oh, magagos. Kaya nga. Ayo. What? 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 Lunod na pa ba? You want to swim? Why? Ako bahala sa'yo. Let's go. Pag sinakyan yan, sir. Sabay para kasama tayo lahat. 1, 2, 3. Di ako makapagtagil sa tubig kasi hindi ako makakasin. Kaya ako magagat. Sakit na masama ha. Wow. Bila sa kay Papa sa shark. Gila. Sakay pa sa shark? Why?
Go daw!
Kuha ka dito na. Kuha ka dito. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Kaya nga tatanggal ako.
Water so cold! Alat ng water. Look, mom! Wala ka no?
lubog ka.
Kala ko lalapit ako.
Ayun o.
Tapos ano, Kirsten, we're going to eat fish.
No! That's not tilapia anyway.
Dito.
Dito, eh, may kwan dito.
Ito. Yan na. Ah. Dito. Why? Ayun o. Ay, mga pare, klarong balik ka kay.
Ganda, nulawin yung sigaro.
Ay, yun lang lumipad. Buti malapit yung mga natin, no?
Snorkel.
Dapat
Snorkel.
kaya pala yung camera nila. Oh, there's three there, Mama. Maliit. Ayun, oh, maliit. Pako, ma'am. Ayun, Kenken. Ay, that's not a good one. Nakita mo may kapit. Ayun, dalawa meron.
No? Ano?
Ito kaya malaki.
Tayo na natin.
Diba Kirsten eh, no? Kilo? Kaya ko sa park? Why? Ha? Puna ako dyan? Ayaw mo tayo sa park? Balik tayo sila! Bakit?
Balik na?
Ba't ayaw?
Balik na daw?
Oo, sakyan. Ayan. You want to swim? Why? Ako bahala sa'yo. Let's go. Ito nga yung malaki.
Ma'am! Ma'am, dali mo sila live to?
Wag na. Hirap. Yes. Sabay para kasama tayo lahat. 1, 2, 3. No? Ano?
Yung buntot ng shark. Gusto mo hawak ko pa? Ikaw magana.
Mom, that's too close.
Why?
And that's our swimming with the whale experience. It's phenomenal. It's a different feeling, like I said earlier. As you can hear, my daughter keeps giggling at the background. She was so happy. And thank you for watching. And now we are gonna be transported to a different island, and we have to go at the back of this truck because we're all so wet. We can't do this in Las Vegas, so this is such a great experience for us. And it was so much fun. We had so much fun with the whales.
Ayaw magpahitim.
I assure you, though this has no like secure seat belts or whatever, it looks safe, and we were safe, and they're driving safe as well. And I'm wrapping it up, and thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or anything you want to tell me, just comment down below. Thank you. Bye.